Brightness. Powerful 60-watt LED light bar, high-quality LED chips and clear PC lens. This LED pod emits 6000 K pure white light, effectively light up the dark road during night. Combo beam. Appropriate combination of spot beam and flood beam for widespread and further distance illumination. Sliding mounting bracket. The sturdy bracket can firmly fix the light bar. Quakeproof when passing through rugged terrain. Waterproof rate. IP67 rated, seamless protective housing with waterproof glue, great performance of waterproof, dustproof and quakeproof. Package include 4PCS 4-inch 60-watt LED light bar. The LED light can be widely applied to Jeeps, 4x4, ATVs, UTVs, SUVs, trucks, cars, pickups, van, camper, road buggy, sandrail, trains, buses, tanks, etc. Super bright light beam dispels the darkness and lights up the forward road, a clear view area for safe driving. Specification. LED power, 60W, 20x3W high-intensity LED. Beam pattern. Spot waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Applications. Off-road lighting, Jeep, 4x4, car, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, train, boat, bus, outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, mining lighting, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Top reviews from the United States. Bright, great buy value. Added some to my snowblower. Bought this 4x for various projects. I just 2 of these to my snowblower that had now light to begin with. Now I can see at night and they are extremely bright. Using a Milwaukee M12 battery to power them too. Excellent buy and value.